Welcome back designers. In our previous video, we learned the easiest way to create gears in Fusion 360. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is in the description. When it comes to the mechanical design, applying meats to gear is an essential step to bring them to life in your assembly. For most type of gears, the process of applying meats is quite similar. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating it using a bevel gear as an example. We will go through how to set up the joints, define the motion and animate it so you can visualize how it would work in real life mechanism. Let's get started and make our gears move. Here I have already with the bevel gear. So I'll be applying mates on this gears. Make sure the gears are in the correct position. So these two gears are two different components, component 1 and component 2, as you can see here. So before applying mates, every gear needs shaft. Let's design shaft for the gear very quickly. Select this face, capture position, take circle tool, here I am giving 0.5. Okay, now extrude. Select the profile and extrude to a distance of 6. In operation, we have to choose new component. The shaft should be different component, like this. Okay, let's rename the component to shaft 1. Okay, now to this gear, let's create a shaft. Invoke circle, choose same diameter, create circle and extrude to a distance of 6. Okay, create it as a new component. Yes, and this we will name as shaft 2. Okay, so now we are ready with the gears. Let's start applying mates. Before applying mates, make sure your components are in the correct position. Now invoke join. First we have to apply mates to the gear. So to this gear, press Ctrl key and click the snap point. This is the first snap point, and bring your arrow to the shaft and select the end of the shaft as the second snap point. It should be middle end. In motion it should be revolute. Okay. Likewise, invoke join, select center of the gear as the first snap point and press Ctrl key, bring the arrow to the shaft and select this center point as the second snap point. Yes, motion revolute. Okay. Now let's see the animation. Invoke animate join relation. So you can see the gears are rotating, but they are not linked. So for the gears to rotate together, we have to link the motion. For that, from assembly, invoke motion link and select both revolute. Okay. Now we will see. Right click and choose animate joint relation. The reason the gears are not rotating together, even though we have linked the joint, is because the shafts are not fixed or constrained to the assembly. In real life, gears are mounted on shaft and those shafts are supported or connected to other components like bearing, housing or frames to hold them in place. So in Fusion 360, we need to fix or constrain the shaft to the surrounding structure before the gear motion will work as expected. So let's ground the shaft. Right click and choose ground to parent to shaft 1 and similarly to shaft 2 also let's ground it. Now let's check. Come to joints, right click and choose animate joint relation. Now we can see the gears are rotating together, but both are moving in the same direction. In reality, gears should rotate in opposite directions. To fix this, go to motion link and edit option, and here enable the reverse option. Once applied, you will see the change. The gears will now rotate exactly as they should. Yes. Now once more, come to the joints, right click and choose animate joint relation. Now you can clearly see the motion here. Yes, that's how it's supposed to rotate. And that's how you make your gears move realistically in Fusion 360. Same trick works for almost any gear type. So try it out and bring your design to life. If you have any doubt or face difficulties while designing, just drop a comment and I will make a video explaining it. Thank you.